Hello guys, welcome back in another video. Now I will continue in English language for my all huge followers. Like I will cover all language that world language like uh, like a language that not barrier to anyone. So I will continue in English so that Hindi listening guys also understand and other language guys also understand what was I am telling in my videos. So that's why I will continue in English. If you all want me to continue in Hindi and English, so let me comment, so I will continue. Okay, now in this video I am gonna show you easiest bug that you can find out. Mass account creation, how I found it and I report it, but it's out of scope. That's why I showed you that if you are hunting on other target, there you can test it this thing, so you can found a valid bug. I'm damn sure that if you are reported this type of bug, you will get a huge bounty. I am definitely for sure. Like hacker1, there you can check out lots of report are there that lots of people are reported this kinds of bug and they got $1,000, 15 $500, this kind of bounty. So in this video, first of all, let's as the previous email is not working. Like it's already registered before I tested this. Like I was tested and reported, so I just got my new email here. I just replace it, and here you can see simple coda.io that available in hacker1. Open bug bounty like that available for public program that you can also hunt on this site. Like let's there you can see, here you can see that it's a sign up form, like like a registration form. Here you can see this is the request that I capture in Burp Suite. Here is the all detail that goes on the server. Now first I will show you that what was the response of the request. Let's send it into repeater tab. Here you can see I send it into repeater tab. Let's send button, and here you can see the response. That means that our account was registered and created, and I will show you into browser that what was actually going on. Like let's forward intercept off, and then here you can see verify your email. That means our account was created successfully and we got a email like verify your email. Here you can see one was coming from our repeater tab and one that I was intercept off. Okay, okay, then let's continue this attack. Like I send this same request into intruder tab in Burp Suite, into intruder tab. If you are not familiar with this tool, you can check out my channel and there you got a videos related of this topic. Here you can see I just added some things, like just change the email, like adding something. And here you can see I just add something. Here you can see, and then here I just like here is the bug real thing. Like same cookie sends same CSR token and other thing that was going on with this same request. And I just selected number payload, and here 2 from 100, 2 from 100, like 100 account I want. I will create it same request, same CSRF, same cookies, but I will create 100 accounts. Here you can see like this type of bug you can definitely hunt and report it. You will get a really good bounty. Here you can see like same request goes, and I will also check out some other. Like here you can see in bottom, here you can see 89 requests already sent and 89 accounts already created, and same type of email that I will get into my that I was previously received into my email. Same type this email also sent in the, if the email was exist, there also sends us same email links. that was the bug. And this video is only and only for educational purpose. I will just done everything in lab environment, and even though I just stop this attack, and even this is out of scope, they said like coda.io, they said this is out of scope, we don't prefer. But yeah, if you are hunting on other sites like that, you can definitely check out and you get your first bounty. Here you can also check out my channel, or here I just click more. Here you can get my all social media handles. Even though you can check out my telegram channel, there you get all the resources and commands also. Here you can see all videos that are real world scenario and real hacking, what was actually going on a background of a hacking. There you can check out. And I hope this video will helpful for you, and I will definitely helping you to out, like past videos also will help you a lot to find a valid bug and things and real hacking. So if you are liking this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos. Okay, goodbye.